Pick a spot and...
I feel like I want to look back here, but...
You guys are probably seeing the most sitting over there, though.
Yeah, we're seeing some good ones over here.
Yeah.
How many have we seen yet?
We probably saw about 10.
I've seen more than that.
Oh my gosh. Pamela saw more than 10. I saw about 25 before you came down.
I might have seen one in the corner of my eye, but I don't know.
Maybe.
Keep looking up though.
If you saw 25, I know I at least have to find one of them. Now I'm getting hungry.
It's too early to get hungry.
We're going straight to bed after this.
I know.
Okay.
Then I don't want it to end because I don't want to go back to bed.
Well, I'll tell you what. When you start getting chilly, you're gonna really look forward to that day.
I'm wide awake, but I'm kind of tired.
And the fresh air is
Can't tell if you said dead or bed.
Did I say dead? I meant bed.
No, I'm saying I don't
Keep
know if you
looking
said
up.
dead or bed.
Looking up.
Whoa, I just saw that one. Me too, me too.
Oh, I missed it.
Just saw that one too.
Brookie, my goodness.
Oh, I saw one. I saw another one.
Oh my gosh.
I saw one.
Are you guys looking up over the lake now?
No, we're looking out. We're looking over here and over here. I saw like 3 of them in 10 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, you did.
I saw 3 in a row.
But we're supposed to see that many, so this is kind of exciting
I've
for
seen
Grandpa.
about
Even though Grandpa can't see him anymore.
5 and a I've seen about 5 and a half. I think I just saw one over there.
How do you see half of one?
Because I saw it half of the time when we.
Oh yeah, sometimes you look at them after they're already started and you only see half of them.
Yeah,
Dad.
that's what I mean. Hey, I just saw one over there. But it was like behind those trees over there. Well, not
You still
like.
do see a lot of little
those
satellites
trees.
floating around.
Yeah, like there's something... Oh, that's
Above
an
the
airplane
trees.
over there, I think.
That's
Generally, when it's the middle of the night, it will be an airplane because a satellite, usually it's too low. It's in the shadow of the Earth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'd be very surprised there's a plane up there moving that high.
Whoa! I totally saw that.
Wow, that was very valid.
I totally want to see one that we all see at the same time.
Like, can't it be like right on top of us?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oh! Yeah! Right as I say
Did
that.
everybody see that one?
I did.
Yeah. Came true.
That one had a nice trail.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw another one.
I didn't.
No, me neither.
Over here's a
That was over Zakaya, that one.
Straight up.
I know.
Straight up by the Milky Way. What?
We're gonna wake everybody up on the lake.
Yeah, that's an airplane, Zeke.
You think so?
Where?
It looks really high up there, but...
Oh, I saw it. I saw it.
I never saw Hey, Mom, where's the airplane?
It's, like, up behind you guys.
Really? They go that high?
I see one moving really, really slowly.
How many, what did I see? Shooting stars? Yeah.
I'm looking at another one. Well, might just be a star moving. Well,
Grandpa finally saw some.
Whoa!
Oh, I saw that one too. That
Yeah,
one was
probably-
really a short one.
I think I see it. It looks like a bird or an airplane.
Well, there is a swan up there and an eagle.
But it's really up high, and I don't think it's a shooting star. I think it's just moving.
I saw 2 flashes
I
over
did
there.
too. I saw that one over there too, Dad.
Yeah.
There. What is that? Oh, that's got. Is that a?
Oh yeah. See that?
People are watching us.
What did she say?
People are watching us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, God is.
Yeah, God is.
That's right, Berkey.
Not only that, but He put all the stars up in heaven.
Yeah, think about that.
Thank you, God. Whoa!
Oh.
Why do they always
Brookie,
shoot right after
he
I'm
was
done?
saying you're welcome, Brookie.
Yeah, that's.
Okay. For your welcome. It was really small, thin, small shirt though, and it didn't have a trail.
Oh, I saw that.
Were
That
there
was
two of
going the
them?
wrong way, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was
Were there
coming
two
towards
of
the
them?
trees.
There was another one.
I saw one.
I
Yeah.
didn't see those. All I saw was 3. That's a lot. We've seen like 15 of them.
Oh, more than that.
Really?
Yeah, because Pamela saw 10 more than us.
So was that really
Oh,
weird?
I actually so did Brooklyn. Now that I think about it. Perseus. Yeah.
Whoa!
Did you see that, babe?
That was a really good one.
That was a very good one.
Why are you not asking me? I only saw 3.
Did you see that one though, Finley?
No.
Well, that's why I didn't ask you because you didn't react.
Yeah, that one I saw too.
Wow, I saw.
That one was right up by the square, Finley. Are you looking at the square at all?
I can't find it.
Oh.
Yeah, I lost the score too.
It's right straight up there.
Yeah, I see it.
You see it?
I didn't find it.
You didn't find it?
This is
Can
wet.
you guys see this square and point
Why
it out
is
to
this
Finley?
thingy wet? It's right there.
Is it here or is it out more?
It's the top one, right above
I think
me.
it's here. I think you're right.
Yeah, point up a little higher, Katie.
Over there?
I think up a little higher, from I
Like,
can see
yeah,
your arm.
Straight up.
Is it out in the middle of the lake?
No,
It's
it's
like straight up.
I would point a little higher yet, Katie.
Really?
Yeah, there's a square right there.
I saw one.
Did you see that one, Finley? I saw it too.
I missed that one. I saw an airplane.
Here?
That was very high, Zeke.
I think I see it.
I would.
Dark to me.
Is it?
When the stars shoot, do they just go to a spot, or where do they go?
They burn up. That's what we're watching.
Oh,
We're
did you see
watching.
that one, Finley?
Oh yeah.
We're watching little stones burn up.
Okay,
Oh, there's
that
another
was an
one. Look at.
airplane.
What?
I think I just saw one in the corner of my eye.
You better get it
I
out.
think I did too.
Mommy, no.
That's it? You can see.
How many did you see, Zakaya?
I don't know.
Are you, Zakaya? Are you awake?
7.5, Sakaya. 5.5. Oh my
5.5,
gosh,
okay.
Sakaya, be looking. Whoa, was that a shooting star? What the heck was that?
Finley saw whatever you saw, Brooklyn.
What did it look like, Finley? It didn't have something
It was shaped like a monkey.
If they don't know.
Yeah, it
What did
was
you say?
shaped like a monkey.
I
saw 6.
Looks like they spawned here.
I think I just saw some lightning too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where?
Well, that light flashes for.
I saw one over the trees over there.
Did Pamela verify that? We're due for.
Whenever.
Oh, that was a good one. Did you see that?
No, I think you're the only
I saw
one.
the tail end of it. I saw it.
Whenever.
Inside. Let's see one more good one, Finn, and then we can head in.
Whenever I talk to God, he always answers back to me with the shooting star.
I like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're due for a nice long
Yeah.
trailed one
I
that
will,
everybody can see.
I will talk to God in my head.
If I come back in, then I'll be, then I'll feel.
This is all. This is what it is.
Yeah, I think we're
So,
all. I'll take
I
all the
think
kids back
everybody's gonna. Let's. I want to see one more good one, and then
Head her up.
yeah.
You want to see when that?
Did you?
Wait,
Good.
wait, no. It's no.
Yeah, they're really.
Sometimes there are some faint
Really
They're pretty
faint ones,
faint, and if
yeah.
you're looking in the right place, you'll see the faint ones that others won't see. Shooting stars are very, very fast, like we've been seeing.
Okay, that's literally an airplane.
Yep.
I'll regret this decision.
Okay, keep your eyes up because we want to see one more good one, then we're going to call it a night.
You looking up, Finn?
One more good one.
One more that everybody. Ooh, I saw a little faint one. Well, you kids are pretty lucky because I didn't see my first shooting star till I was probably 21 years old.
Wow. How about that, guys? That's pretty cool. And you saw how many now already?
I saw my first one senior in high school.
I
Junior,
think
senior.
the shooting stars don't want us to leave, so they're just taking one.
Do you?
I'm surprised how many I've seen too.
What is that? Is that a bird?
That's a loon.
A loon.
Wait, what?
Isn't that awesome?
Mm-hmm.
I'm afraid of that noise.
Oh, yeah. It is a kind of a scary noise, but
Yeah, it is.
while you're hearing it, keep looking up.
Thanks,
Okay.
Grandpa.
Okay.
Can I head up with you
Yeah,
too,
you should come
Mommy?
up too.
Yeah.
So I'll take the tray.
Yep.